Hi everyone, hope you're having a wonderful time. And in today's video, we will be playing some Subway Surfer. I haven't played this in a long time, but I have. Hold on. That's loud. Alright, that's better. Yeah, I don't have barely any characters. I'm hoping to get someone today, but I already got her, but she's not good enough. We need a better... Oh yeah, just lets everyone know. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Hope it's a nice comment. Alright, so my top one's 28,000. I think I'm not that good at math, okay. So, I'm just gonna hope that I won't die really quick. So, I guess spray painting trains, and I'm guessing I'm just gonna run away from this cop by the way. No. Move that. Run, person. Run around the seas. Let's go on top of trains. I have no idea why these people could jump so high. I jumped late and she still made it. The only reason I'm collecting these letters, I think you get a spray can for it. So I want it. Oh, no. Copy. I mean, this cop could... Alright, that cop didn't... That can't survive. Alright, one more letter and I am good. There's so many games. Ow! I hit the little pole. Are you kidding me? Alright. No, trains, stop. I need these coins. I need them. Oh, last letter. Alright, that's nice. And oh my goodness. Ah! No! I mean, that's what really the keys are for, I guess. You think? Why do I always get so lucky? Like, or if I get the magnet, there's so many coins. Wait, what? I just went through the train like always. Tried to collect all these coins. So far, that was really easy. 400 coins? Are you kidding me? Well, that was really risky. All right, here we go. No, my cringe. That's cringe. All right. I don't really care. I got caught. Yeah, that's right. Oh wait, what? No. I accidentally did that. Can I afford anything? What's this? I don't know what to do. Okay. Why'd I just select? Oh, check out that thing at the start. That was very incinerating. Don't know why I said that, but I did. Once my train stopped, how's people even supposed to? Wait a minute. Whatever train I see moving first, all these trains are going to crash into each other. I hope they know that. I suck. Oh yeah, I tried doing Wait. $6. I'm not getting that. Plus 300 coins. $300 for just one skateboard? Wait a minute, on my other run, should I use the skateboards to get out of situations? I'm really stupid. I am so stupid. I have no idea why. I really shouldn't be here anymore. I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah. When this video posted, cringeworthy, by the way. I was expecting me to fail. I said cringeworthy, by the way. It's called Me Do the Floss. It never even jumped. What's paw? Home mate? Homer? Friend? Get 500 coins. I will have to watch an ad. No one likes ads. Get out of here. I'm not doing that. Actually, there might be ads in this video. What am I saying? Where am I? Oh, I'm just in a bronze. Alright, I don't care. I'm going full on try hard. I'm not gonna be talking. Well, sometimes I'll be talking, but most time I'll be quiet to go to diamond. Why did I do that? Now, use the jumping shoes now. Thank you for actually... Oh, yeah, I forgot. You can get on top of houses with that thingy. Do-do-do. I'm gonna beat my top run. Do-do-do-do. I'm gonna beat my top run. Yeah, I know if I don't beat my top run, I know that I won't go up one. So... yeah. Give me all the coins in the world. I need all of these coins in my run. I need all the coins I can get. I know I said I won't be talking a lot, but I always talk. I can't stop talking. That's true. I'm a YouTuber. Just like that. No, everyone do the wombo combo. Everyone do the wombo combo. Want that key, please? No, please. Alright, boys. No, alright, guess I'm watching McDonald's. Alright, and I'm back again for more. But it's going so fast now. I don't know why, because I already used 2 ads. I mean, I just keep on using ads until I'm too bored. Alright, double. Double magnet is literally the key. Because you get double coins every single time. And you also get... you get all the coins in like the free roll lane. And you get double the coins. So that's like really good. Only 17 more hundred to go. I think that's the count. I saw a magnet. I missed it. I'm so triggered now. so good. Probably would, for my high score, I use like 4 ads so I can get the just right there. Supposed to be like good. I use my hoverboard just even for goodness. I saw a pogo stick. I'm mad again a lot. Oh, that was so close. Oh, another. All right. Okay, buddy. All right, this one must not die. We'll only serve some more 1,000 to go. And I'm up here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's not go. Now you have to use my keys to stay in the game. This sucks. That sucks. I have no idea. I forgot what else you can use for keys for different styles, I guess. But who really care about different styles where you can do this all day and grind to beat your good high score? I guess I'm doing that. I wasn't looking. I'm being so quiet. I want to be a hardcore lady. Come here. I want to beat you. Come on. Come on. Come here, Raw. No, I think it might be copyright. Who cares? It wasn't a song, so I guess it isn't copyright, basically. No. One key. Yeah, I don't want to double that. Okay, I don't really want to double that. What? Alright. Alright, I'm gonna go now. See you guys in the next video. Bye!